It's spring, and that means it's time to get your yard looking its best with products from Scotts. If your lawn is already established and growing nicely, regular feeding is the key to the healthiest and best looking lawn. Look for fertilizers such as Scotts Triple Action or Scotts Green Max to get your grass looking great. If your lawn isn't looking its best, you can tackle some common problems with solutions from Scotts. If you have bare spots in your lawn, choose Scotts Easy Seed Patch and Repair. This is a seeding mix that contains Scotts high performance seed, continuous release lawn food, and super absorbent growing material. If you have an established lawn that is looking weak or thin, choose Scotts Turf Builder Thicker Lawn. This is a 3-in-1 solution that contains soil improver for enhanced root development, seed to fill gaps with new grass, and fertilizer to feed new grass and enhance the grass that is already there. For large problem areas, new lawns, or if you are overseeding an existing lawn, choose Scotts Turf Builder. For northern lawns, use Scotts Turf Builder Rapid Grass, which has a unique mix of seed and fertilizer that grows 2 times faster than seed alone. For southern lawns, use Scotts Turf Builder Grass Seed with its unique WaterSmart Plus coating that absorbs 2 times more water than uncoated seed and feeds with essential nutrients. Whenever you apply new grass seed, watering is key. For best results, water twice a day for at least 3 weeks. Keep watering until your grass is at least 2 inches tall, and don't mow before your lawn is around 3 inches tall. With these great products from Scotts, your lawn will be the envy of the neighborhood this spring. So get out there and get seeding. To learn more and discover even more possibilities, click the link below.